Jason Frotten, area sales manager with HD Supply. Yeah, so I was gunner's mate in the Navy. I was responsible for the repair and maintenance of every weapon system you can think of, from little pistols and rifles to missile launchers, the big guns, the cannons on the ships. My first few months in the industry, I was a groundskeeper. The local Maintenance Mania event was coming up, and I didn't know what it was, but it was a nice night out, meet some people in the industry, because I was new to the industry. And I have a little bit of a competitive side, so the opportunity to go do these competitive games, maybe win a prize, maybe not, it appealed to me. So it was tough with no experience to convince somebody that I was qualified to be a tech or a supervisor or something like that. But after winning the local, winning the national, I was offered a job almost immediately with a pretty healthy pay increase. Kind of gave them a reason to listen to me. So that first year, it opened up that opportunity. For 5 more years, I continued to compete. All 5 years I went to the state competition. I won the state competition all 5 years. And so I went from being a groundskeeper to a tech to a supervisor pretty quickly. And then when it came time that I graduated college, it is what made me known to HD Supply. So when the local area had an opening, it's why the area manager knew me. Maintenance Mania just gave me a lot of opportunities to be able to prove myself. Maintenance Mania, the events, it's a way to solve a problem, right? So the game itself is the problem, and you kind of sit back and understand how to play the game, understand what the problem is. And then, you get your shot, you get to step up. It's that problem-solving process that is more than Maintenance Mania. I mean, it's kind of what I've done with everything in my life. That's why I like Maintenance Mania so much. I know that in order to be ready for that next level, I'm currently working on a master's degree in management, and then I'll roll that into an MBA. So I've had some great opportunities that I've been able to take advantage of, not just through Maintenance Mania, but through HD Supply as well.